This is real. This is happening. Oh my goodness, it's been too long. Sure, there was a little stint at Kane that I did kind of as a primer because I desperately wanted to play Nerf. But the CONC is here. It's back. I can pretty much guarantee a reasonably steady stream of Nerf content from here until it gets too cold to do Nerf stuff again. Link more information in the description. But yeah, the CONC is here, and I'm super excited because the first hour of the event, per the moderator's decision making, is going to be played on a 150 FPS cap, which history has shown, if you aren't familiar, get subscribed, that when the moderators lower the FPS cap, my beautiful Perses here gets exponentially more broken. Although this is Nerf, so literally anything can happen, I'm pretty excited, pretty stoked. And holy cow, this is a turnout. Jeez. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's get going.
Do you have enough pistols?
I'm gonna burn a Kang towel, I swear I am.
I don't know. Maybe.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4?
Just for today.
Alright, we're gonna play Blob. Everybody know what Blob is?
No.
I know what Blob is.
Everyone's for themselves. And you just hit someone, they're now on your team.
Colin, you're on my team now.
Oh. Hey, let's get that guy. Pow. Now you're on our team. Oh, so if someone hits him, we're all free again. Woohoo!
Yep.
So you win by assimilating everybody.
Okay, that Prometheus could be trouble. Or an ally. I have absolutely no... This is such a strange thing. We just get to shoot at each other and there's kind of an objective. This really is weird. Hit. Guess I'm with you now. All right, let's go. Hit. Okay, got it.
Give me the cover, give me the cover. Cover.
Just laying down cover fire for the time being.
Watch your backs, watch your backs.
Left side! That hit. This one. This is really not working out too great, is it? Jeez. Oh! Blaster hit. Oh, the pop-off. The pop-off is real. That hit your... Wait, that actually hit you, Alex? I tagged you. Somebody else tag him? I don't know. I don't know if revenge would have been better or not.
I was on Simon's team, then you're on my team now?
He tagged me already.
My team? Sweet! My team. Alright.
This is more confusing than revenge. Like, seriously.
I got the first. You think Prometheus?
Prometheus.
I'll try back home. Grab up the mag.
That's suppressive range. far left flank funny? That'd be hilarious. I'm just vibing over here. All right, I'm with you. They're with. I'm confused now.
I'm very confused. I don't know.
So.
I guess we're reunited. I'll be on the same team here. Now y'all are separate from us. So what do we know? Me and him are with the team. Well, we're on it.
Blob would be easier if it was.
You're on our team. Y'all are on our team.
Blob would be easier if it was Rangers only.
He's our team leader.
Okay. How many tags can I get from backstabbing these chumps? No, blaster hits do not count. Blaster hits do not count. Forgot to mention that at the briefing. I don't know. Blob feels like an excuse to shoot each other. I guess we take those.
Everybody won. Yeah, there you go. Everybody recover your gear.
This feels like a loosely structured excuse for everyone to shoot in each other without any valid reason why. I got to shoot a bunch of people. There was definitely some dopamine release there. Alright, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more Nerf content like this, get subscribed, leave a like, comments of your favorite moment of the video. Thank you all for watching. More Nerf content coming soon, weather permitting. And please read the description. More important details are not included in the video there. See ya!